If alerts appear only after you open the app, Android is probably holding that app in the background. Use that clue to choose the right layer before you change every setting. First, ask one question. Do the missing alerts arrive the moment you open the app? Yes points to battery or background data. No points higher at the app's notification category or do not disturb. Open settings, tap notifications, then app notifications. Choose the problem app and make sure its main notification switch is on. The app also has notification categories. Its main switch can be on while messages or calls stay silent, so enable the exact alert type you need. If channels are on, open modes and do not disturb. Under notification filters, allow the app or the people whose alerts must break through. Check bedtime, driving, and custom schedules. Automatic modes can activate exactly when alerts seem to disappear. Next, open notifications on lock screen. Show alerting and silent notifications, or allow the content you want to see when the phone is locked. If alerts arrive only after you open the app, go to Apps, choose the app, open battery, and set its use to unrestricted. Then open mobile data and Wi-Fi for that app. Allow background data so it can receive alerts before you wake it. If Data Saver is on, give this app unrestricted data access. Keep the exception targeted instead of turning every battery and data protection off. For Samsung phones, remove the app from both sleeping lists, then add it to never sleeping apps. For Pixel phones, choose unrestricted for that app. After an Android update, recheck channels, modes, and battery exemptions. Test again with the app closed and reinstall only after every layer is clear. Scan the full layer checklist on phone tips.